Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in SEO or the WordPress lecture, because this lecture is a part of the WordPress and also is a part of the plugins and also is a part of the SEO, because we are going to define the speed, or we are going to improve the speed, or we are going to optimize our website speed by using some kind of plugins. So now, as you can see, this is the website. It's a blogging website. We have added the CDN. If you are not familiar with the CDN, we also have the separate lectures, and we have embedded the CDNs here, which is a Cloudflare CDN. So the video available on the internet, especially in YouTube. So okay, now as you can see, the current stats: mobile is the 14 and the desktop is 73. 73 is a good score for the desktop versions. So now, as you can see, the whole page is loaded in 1.8 seconds. It's a nice score. So we also have some kind of issues here still. So now, as you can see, the GT Matrix, these are the two tools, Google's tools and GT Matrix tools. GT Matrix tools showing us the 69%. Okay, we also have some other issues here. So we are currently using the Auto Optimizer plugin for this kind of website. Now we are going to check another plugin, which is the WP Rocket plugin, and according to my experience, the WP Rocket provides us the better and the best functionality. Okay, so now I'm going to dashboard. First of all, sorry, I also already here. I'm going to deactivate this plugin, which is the Auto Optimizer. And now I'm going to add another plugin, which is the new plugin, WP Rocket. I have downloaded the WP Rocket plugin from my website. So I'm saying upload. So okay, now this is the plugin. I'm saying this is the plugin. Install now. It takes few seconds to install this kind of plugins. Okay, so now go to your section, activate this plugin. We have just installed this plugin. Now we are going to activate this plugin. You can also download this plugin from various sources like WP Rocket, the official website. If you're not familiar, go to the Google and I'm saying WP Rocket. WP Rocket. This is the official website of the WP Rocket, wprocket.me. Okay, now as you can see, it's saying WP Rocket are not compatible with browser cache. We have to disable this plugin. Plugins. This is a leverage browser cache. Deactivate this plugin. Okay, now go to your WP Rocket. So this is the initial settings. I'm going to explain one by one. I'm saying no thanks. Okay, now I'm saying clear cache, because we have deactivated some kind of plugins. It will remove the cache. Now go to your cache. If you want to use the cache for the logged in user, you can also click on this one, user cache. Okay, now dashboard. Okay, fine. If you want to, first of all, I'm going to minimize. So this is a file optimize sections. So we have to minimize our CSS files first of all. Now I'm saying remove jQuery migrate, minimize JS files, load defer parsing. Okay, now save these changes. Now I'm saying media, enable for images. So I'm talking about the lazy load, and check this one. Click on this one, save changes. So it's a WebP compatible. So these are for the images. Okay, fine. Now I'm saying preload. So here we are going to define if you are using the fonts. Okay, fine. Now go to your tools, analyze the same website, and I'm saying retest the same website. Wait for few seconds once the Google gets all the informations from our website or the home page. So wait for few seconds. Same here, duty matrix. We also have some other settings. You can also install this plugin, but I'm not going to install. So it's fine. So now as you can see, now it's showing us a 34 home, and the desktop version is a 64. And here as you can see, it's showing us the 81%. Okay, fine. Now if you click on the mobile version, so here as you can see, we have 4.5 seconds eliminate render blocking resources. So total time is 8.9 seconds. So it's not a good time for the website. And now as you can see, remove unused CSS. Here they are saying remove this one, and now eliminate render blocking. So go to your optimize. I'm saying combine CSS. Here I'm also saying combine JS. So make sure if you are combining your CSS, if you are combining your JS, so if you face some kind of layout issue, you just need to uncheck this one, and save the settings. Now I'm going to check both options. I'm now going, so I'm saying this is the website. Check your layout of the website. The layout is fine. Okay, now check this once again and check retest. Wait for few seconds once the Google gets all the information from our website. Okay, now 69 and 72. It's also showing 81. Now we also have one options, optimize CSS delivery. So as you can see, it's saying optimize CSS delivery. So this is the main cost, 3.1 seconds. Oh sorry, this is the main cost, 2.1 seconds for the render blocking resources. Now I'm saying differs. Also check this one, save. Okay, now as you can see, it's saying critical CSS generation is running 0 to 4 pages types. Okay, now refresh this page again to check the, once again refresh. As you can see, critical CSS for front page. For category page. Okay, now open the website, refresh the page. Fine, as you can see, everything is working fine. You can also open this in the incognito mode to check your CSS and JS performance. If the layout is not working fine, then you just need to disable few things like combining CSS and combining JS, and also you have to uncheck this one, optimize CSS delivery. Now analyze once again, analyze, retest. Okay, fine. As you can see, the desktop is 70, the mobile version is 30. Okay, fine. Now go to the website, refresh again, check your layout. If your layout is fine, okay, now go to your Google and find some. So as you can see, it's saying remove unused CSS, remove unused JS files. So leave this, and as you can see, the eliminate render blocking is 0.33 seconds, and it's giving you the jQuery. Okay, next gen formats. So wait for a few seconds. Once the WP Rocket create the files for you, like where is the media? So this is media. So you have enabled this, will create separate cache files to serve your web page images. Okay, so everything is fine. Now I'm going to check some other settings. Media preload. Okay, if you have some kind of font, so check your fonts here. So Google is not giving you any fonts. So as you can see, font is not here, font is not here. Then fine. Otherwise, you just need to copy the URL and paste the URL here. So now as you can see, WP content, for instance, WP content theme, your theme and assets, fonts, and this is the font. Just paste your URL here and save the changes. So now in this way you can boost your performance. So as you know, we have just used the plugin, which is the WP Rocket, to boost our website performance. I'm going to check again. Because sometimes it takes time to load the things, or it takes time to embed some settings. So now as you can see, the Y score is 91%. So total page is 864 KB and the full time loaded is 3.9 seconds. So, and as you can see, this is the Y score and page score. And why it's giving you the error? Because it's saying server scale images. These images are too high. So you have to optimize these 4 images if you want to improve this score. So as you can see, boom, now it's showing us 43 because we are using the CDN. That's why it takes time to fetch or to propagate the things. Okay, so we reached from our previous score to 43. So wait for few seconds, or wait for few minutes, or wait for few hours to propagate all the things. So now it's giving you these suggestions: eliminate render blocking 0.3, and now differ off-screen images. So you have to optimize these images if you want to improve this score. So I think the desktop is fine. And I will check this website in 1 to 2 minutes, or after 1 hour, but for now it's fine. So in this way you can use the WP Rocket plugin. It's a nice plugin. It's a good plugin if you are using the WordPress. And by the way, this is a paid plugin. You have to purchase this plugin from the WP Rocket or from some other sources. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and please leave a comment below if you think we have missed something and if you have any kind of queries. So I'm going to check once again and once again. It's fine. So thank you for watching.